Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to create our own rules for cursor. But before creating the rules, let us first understand what is the best practice to create a rule, and then I'll tell you a hack as well. Okay, so good rules are focused on actionable and scoped, right? They are focused, actionable, and they are scoped. Okay, perfect. You have to keep your rules under 500 lines. Oh, it's way too much. 500 lines. Okay, split large rules into multiple and composable rules. Okay, you have to split the large rules, of course. If it's a big problem, you have to split it always. Provide the concrete, okay, example for referenced file, right? Of course, yes, exactly. You have to provide examples that, okay, this is how you should go, this is how you should not go, this is how you should do, this is what you should not do, right? Or if you have any files or something like that, you can provide that as well. Then we have avoid wage guidance, okay, and write rules like clear internal docs, okay, perfect. We have to write clear rules, okay. Reuse rules when repeating prompts in chat. Of course, you have to always reuse your rules. Example: standards for front-end component and API validation. So this is a rule, right? A rule to provide a standard for front-end components. Okay, when working in components directly, always use tailwind for styling, right? Use framer motion for animations and follow the component naming conventions. This is a rule which it has defined, right? This rule enforce validation of API endpoints. Okay, so API directly use Zord for all validations, right? Define return types and Zord schemas. Okay, export type and generate it for schemas. Okay, perfect. Then we have like template for Express services and React component, right? This rule provides. So basically, these are some sample rules which they have created for us, right? Let us now see how we can create a rule, right? We have something called studio cursor directory. Cursor directory, right? We have something called cursor directory, and this cursor directory is very good website. Let me tell you how. You have rules, right? On the top, you will see rules, go to rules, and my dear friends, here are some predefined rules which are already written. See, suppose you are working with Next.js. Let's let's search for React, right? Let's search for React. Do we have? No, we have TypeScript. Okay, how to search? We have TypeScript rules, we have Python rules, right? We have Next.js rules, we have React.js rules, right? See, these are the React.js rules, right? Then we have web development rules. This is like normal web development. If you're doing normal web development, so these are some sample rule set, right? Which has already been created, right? So you can directly use it. Then we have game development rules. If you are a game developer, right, then you can use these rules, right? Flutter developer, right? Then we have Tailwind, right? Then we have API, right? For API development, we have all this, right? For testing also we have. You are expert in Go, microservices architecture, and all those things, right? You are a senior QA, automation tester in TypeScript and all those things, right? So see, it's good, right? You have WordPress, right? If you're working with WordPress, you have WordPress. Backend development, you have like and Zestand, Zone, Next.js, Vue functionality, Ruby, UX also you have, right? Kotlin, and like almost everything. Almost everything you have. If you want to submit your own rule, you can just hit it and you can submit your own rule. Of course, you want to see over here, you can contribute, right? You can contribute to the directory. But now suppose I want to go for like React, right? I want to go for React. So yeah, I'll simply copy this rule. I'll simply copy this rule. And how to create a rule? See, it is telling that to create a rule, you have to go to cursor setting, rules, then this create a new file in .cursor/rules. From setting, you can see all the status. Okay, perfect. Let's do the same thing. Let's try doing the same thing. Let me close this. Let me close this. Let me close this. So here on the top, you will see the cursor settings, right? And you have rules and memories, right? We have rules and memories. Then where we have to go? Let's see. I don't know. new rule cursor setting rules, and this will create a okay, ठीक है, perfect. I guess how we can create add rule, right? We have this add rule, and here you can create it, right? Here you can create a rule, right? If you press done, it's saving the rule, and yes, it's done. It's user rules. See, it's user rules, right? So manage your customer custom user rules and preferences over here. So I told you in the last lecture that okay, we have four major types of rules. One is depreciated, then again we're left with three rules, right? The first one is user rules and all those things. So let me show it to you once again. So yeah, we have project rules, we have user rules, we have agent.md file, right? So yes, it's done, right? So we have set a rule, right? And it's a global rule, right? We have set a rule and it's a global rule. Okay, perfect, perfect. It's done. And we have project rules. See, over here we have project specific rules. So okay, let me shift myself. Okay, yeah. So over here we have project specific rules. If you want to add some project specific rule, you can just hit over here add rule, right? And it has made something. I'll tell you, right? Add a new rule, right? Rule name is that maybe hoping mind, right? Hoping mind rule. Okay, and I'll hit enter. So see, we have this rule, and I told you there are two things. There are four things. Always apply intelligently, apply specific files, or apply manually, right? See, we are getting all these things, right? And let me ask cursor to generate it, right? Let's ask cursor to generate a rule. Okay, or Aja bhai, where did finished? Yeah. Oh, sorry, my bad. Yeah, it's saying that L to chat, K to generate. So command K to generate. So see, it is doing something, right? We can generate, right? Or we'll do it later on. No worries, we'll do it later on. But abhi I have applied this rule to this thing. Okay, I have applied this rule to this. Okay, so yep, MDC file. We have this MDC file. I told you in the last lecture. See how it works. So if you see over here that you have to create a MDC file where it vanished. Yeah. So here for each rule, each file is written in MDC file, right? And a support like metadata, context, and how you want to control the things, right? So if you want to apply the rules, see, this is the rule. I have created a file. I have created an MDC file, and I have written all the rules for this particular project, right? And it's done. It's done. So I have set a global rule as well, right? And I have set a project rule as well, right? I have set both the rules, and I guess we are good to go, right? And see, it is applied to always. So always it will apply this thing, right? Now suppose in the global rule, let me change it. Let me delete this rule. Let me add a rule. I'll say talk in funny and Gen Z language. Gen Z language and tonality, right? Done. So I have added this as a global rule, right? Let us now have a conversation with him, right? Let us now have a conversation with him. Okay, let's do it. So we have this, and let's ask him to do something. Sorry, agent mode, right? Hey, what tech I am using? Hi there, let's take a peek of your project and see what tech stack you're rocking. See, it's saying you're rocking, right? Yo, see, it has done yo, and yo is a Gen Z language, right? Looking at your project, you're absolutely crushing it with a modern tech stack. Here's what you're rocking. Okay, and what all things we have? Front end framework, React, I'm using this, build tool, white, ESLint, UI rocking, something. And see what you're saying, your check choice is solid AF. See, AF. This is Gen Z, right? This is Gen Z, right? React 19, something. So this is exactly how what's on your move to this project. Let's ask him to do something. Let's ask him to. What do you think? What do you think I should do? Let's ask him now. What should yo Gen Z language yo? Okay, cool. It says yo, looking at your hoping minds clone. I've got you solid foundation going there. Some suggestions do you have? Immediate wins, adding course filtering, responsive design. See, it has automatically suggesting with the things. Yo, buddy, do all these things. See, it's done. It's doing everything. And if you remember, see, React Router DOM, headless UI, framer motion. If you see the rules, tailwind action, and I must be having something over here. For animation part, we don't have anything. No, I guess. But anyways, okay, let's run this. Let's run this. And okay. Now yes, run everything. Whatever you want to run it. Just do it. So it is creating. See, it is creating everything automatically. See, it has created hooks. It has created utils, pages, components. Everything it has created automatically. Right. In the meantime, it is creating. So let us see what else do we have. So yes, we have added all these things, backend, server. So yeah, you can do it something like this. You can create nested rules. Like see, abhi what happened when I created a rules, right? It has created a rules and in the hoping minds. So what all things you can do in your dot cursor / rules, you can create it like this, like backend, then server, you have this rule, front end, you have this rule, right? So you can do it like this. It's nested rules, right? It's called nested rules. So this is also something which you can create, right? We'll go in detail in like upcoming lectures, not today, but yeah, for now we have seen that how we can how we can apply the rules, right? And see, it is building something for us. Let's see what it has built. Okay, so it has given me the course detail, the complete course detail it has given me. Perfect. It has created a course card, header.jsxc. Let's accept everything. Let's keep on accepting the things. Okay, it's good. It's happening. Course modal. Okay, it is creating course modal. Perfect. Right. So yeah, I guess that's it for agent MD. We'll understand agent MD as well, but maybe not today. We'll see it later on. So I guess rules part is done. That's it about the rules part, and that is how exactly you can create your own custom rules also, right? User rules, and your project specific rules, agent MD file, and all those things, right? So yeah, just waiting for this thing to happen, and then we will end this video as well. After showing you the output, of course, we will not make any modification. We'll just see what it has made, and then we'll just end the video. Okay. Yeah. So yes, it has now built, and now it is asking me to run. Let's see. Let's run this. Okay, we'll run it once again. No worries. Oh, it's Intuit. Open the integrated terminal and npm run dev. Let's see. Let's open this. Okay, 514. Okay. Localhost 5174. Okay, it just messed up with something. I guess it has done some mistake. I don't know. Header is not defined. Okay, let's copy this error. Let's place it here and let's see what it says. Ah, I see. No worries. Let's see. Come on, fix it. Yes, and yeah, it's done. See now. This is what it has done. Okay, so okay, cool. Add to cart, filter, and this thing. Light and dark theme it has created. Light and dark theme. Okay. Do we have anything? No, not from here. Let's search. Do we have filters? Yes, we have filters. See, technology, marketing, app development, full stack development, AI/ML, data science, management, networking, finance, business. See, we have these things, right? Let's search in the all. Let's apply filters. We have 12 courses. We have more filters. Okay, okay, cool. See this. So let's apply for advanced level. So these are advanced levels, right? In the advanced level, I want whose rating is this, or maybe this, or no, all rating. Let's go for all rating. Under 1000. No, we don't have any course under 1000, right? 1000 to 2000, no, 2000 to 3000, yes, we have courses between 2000 and 3000. Over 3000, we have this courses. Let's go for all prices, we have this. See, it has built a full-fledged working website for us. Do this work? Let's see. React, and let's search for it. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. Let's remove all the filters from here, and let's say React. See, it's working. The search is also working, right? If I say remove this, and if I search for digital marketing, see, digital marketing, search is also working, right? Within minutes, it has created all these things. So anyways, will not take more time of yours. I guess that's it for this video, and we'll meet you again in the other video. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and take care.